part of the fun of coming over here to the Mercato Centrale, because there's so much great stuff here. And I'm like a kid in a candy store here. It's just wonderful. There's just all this great produce, fish, all this stuff.
You know, one of the things that, to me, that's a lot of fun is just kind of seeing what's going on wherever I'm shopping. And especially if I'm traveling overseas, then I get to have that opportunity to check out the cool stuff. So, and I don't always know exactly how it's going to turn out, and I don't always know what I'm going to do when I buy it. I just kind of get a feel for, you know, this looks really amazing, this looks really good, I'm going to give it a shot and see how it goes. To me, that's part of the excitement of cooking. In the end, it's all about taste and putting flavor combinations together and seeing what's going to work best. You know, one of the things I really like to do when I'm cooking is I'm always tasting what I'm cooking. Every time you taste something, you're building kind of a library of flavor in your mouth. What happens is, at least for me, is I build that library of flavor. And then when I'm out looking around, I can go, oh, well, what's that flavor? I know what fennel tastes like. I know what cipollini onions taste like. I know what fish tastes like. I know what these things. And then I can kind of envision what it's going to taste like all at once, mixed together in my mouth, and how's that flavor combination going to work. And that's one of the secrets that at least I use of figuring out, well, what's good and what's not.
You know, the thing about cooking, just have fun.
It's all about not being afraid to just go in there and go for it and try it and see what comes out and go from there. The thing about cooking is that it's all about taste, and that's really all it is. You know, all the rest of the stuff, you can follow recipes, you can do all this stuff all you want to do, but in the end, it's all about what you like. Anyone can cook, I believe that, and it's just a matter of not being afraid of trying things out. And you're gonna mess up, and that's just part of life, and that's just part of the way you're gonna cook. But the important thing is you keep trying, and you learn some techniques, and you do it, you have fun with it, and you enjoy it, and that's all that really matters.